So ito guys, tingnan natin. Mahirap kasi mag-drawing. So let's say ito. Wala, si Batman. Yan. So let's say meron tayong A, B, C, D. Okay na yan. So let's say meron tayong C, D, which is unknown kagad na. Then meron tayong ano kaya, let's say itong AB is 12, or 12 ba? Sige, 12 na lang to, tsaka 4. Tama. So let's say ting given. So magkaroon tayo ng line AB which is 12, tapos yung line BD natin which is 4. So hinahanap natin yung CD. So paano natin makuha yan? So remember, tangent tsaka secant to, diba? So bali yung formula, tangent squared equals parang ganito, equals full times external ang sa secant. So bali ganyan. So ano ba yung tangent squared natin? That is CD. So CD pa rin siya guys, diba? So yung line CD natin naka-squared, yung whole natin that is 12 plus 4 times yung external natin na 4. So definitely solve na lang natin yun. So CD na line na naka-squared, then eto magiging 16 times 4. So actually pwede mo natin square root both side kasi naka-perfect square naman na sila parehas. Pero kung ayaw mo, edi solve natin ulit sila. So magkakaroon tayo ng 16 times 4, that is 64. Then dahil naka-squared guys, square root lang siya both side. So makuha na natin yung line CD which is 8. So ganun siya ginagawa. Then kung given naman ito guys, at isa wala, manipulate mo na lang yung given, yung formula, I mean. So ganun siya ginagawa actually. Naintindihan yan? Pag tangent ganyan ha. So kunyari naman ganito,